Hello YouTube and or Instagram, Tristan Taylor here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Harbor Freight CEN-TECH. How many functions is this? Let me read the manual. Standby. 11 function multimeter. So you have frequency, resistance with continuity, volts DC, volts AC, temperature in Celsius, transistor, amps AC 200 milliamps to 20 amps, amps DC 2 milliamps to 20 amps. You can see this is for milliamps, this is for amps. They're just regular, this is just 20 amps max. It says a fuse, this doesn't have a fuse. This is for, flip this out of the way, for volts, ohms, and hertz. This is just your common lead, and then this one would go into either one of these to measure amperage. It also has a tilting display. Turn it on there. Tilt all the way up or all the way back. It comes with this neat little case. Get that off. Yeah. I guess not. I guess it doesn't want to pause. Then when it did pause, I just had to tap it just right. Anyways, it comes out of the case here. Durable, solid plastic. Of course, you know what, metal. On. You can set it to hold so you can keep the current reading up on the screen. So I can set this to frequency or hertz. Let me plug this into an outlet. For some reason this is reading 50 hertz even though we're in the US, so we use 60 hertz 120 volts. But I can, see it's reading 120, roughly 120 volts. So we have it back at hertz. It's reading 40 hertz now. 50, I don't know. But it's measured in kilohertz. So it goes up to 20,000 hertz. You can measure capacitors with this here. Take this microwave oven capacitor here. Disconnect the lead, standby. So, yeah, there's the temperature function. You can see he measures it only in Celsius for some reason, but then it's for scientific stuff. If I hold this, it'll go up, you see. If I manage to put this in the reverse polarity, like this, when it gets hotter, it'll get lower. When it gets cooler, it gets higher. So that's why it's polarized, and that's why my negative slot is bigger than the positive slot. Now let's measure a capacitor. Can't remember if I've already done that. So we'll put it 2 microfarad. Tilt this display up a little bit. Put it in there. 0.74, 0.75. That's what this is. Come on, focus. 0.75 microfarad, give or take 3%. So yeah, that's that. Overall, it's pretty good. It's only 25 bucks for. This is pretty fancy even by my standards. So yeah. So 11 functions. We can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's not right. I don't know. Anyways. Yeah. So, I mean, I'm counting wrong or something. Anyways. So that's that. I want to thank you guys for watching. Peace out.